早上好，你好，同学们。So today I'm gonna teach you how to use screencastify to record your story. Okay, so first you can click on screencastify and there is a video in the Google Classroom under this assignment for you to find this extension in your Chrome store, or you can find it if you are using a Chrome tab. In other computers you can find it. So please click on browser tab and open microphone. You don't have to have your face if you want, you can. So you need to make sure, like when you are talking, this bar is moving with the green, means it can detect your voice. All right, so let's leave it here. Then for example, I'm gonna just use Arnon's as an example. You can click here. So if you scroll down, click view details. There is an option, the blue one, view this storyboard as a slideshow. This is how you're gonna record your story. So you click view this storyboard as a slideshow. And when you can see this, like scene 1, scene 2, right? And you just click back on. Still, hello, what's going on here? All right, that's still here. So now everything's here. You can start clicking record. Or if you see this, it's starting recording. You can say, 你好，我叫 All right, started. 你好，我叫孔明达. This story is about, you can tell what this story is about in English first. Da 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 da, because you want other people to know what this is about, like if they don't understand Mandarin. And then you're gonna start reading your story in Mandarin. 高文忠想做医生，但是他不能，因为王鹏接了工作。王鹏帮一个人，高文忠也想这样做。这是王鹏，这是高文忠。高文忠有计划。高文忠 blah blah, how that's he still needs to revise. This is what we're gonna do today. All right, so I think you have an idea. So in the end, if you go to the last scene, you're gonna say 谢谢再见 to end your show. And after you click here, you can click pause, stop here. And here, okay, I don't think we're gonna do this. I would prefer you do Google Drive, get shareable link. So if you get the shareable link, you can directly go to Google Classroom. And you can, for example, go to 8th grade or 7th grade. You can just go to your student work and then post it, add the link, post under your assignment and hit turn in. Then I will be able to see your video and I will be able to put it together on a platform to for everyone to see. Okay, if you have more questions, please feel free to email me or ask me when we meet one-on-one. 谢谢，再见。